Both corners are full of energy, so we're sure to see a great battle. The stage is set and the curtain is up. Energy ball hits. It's down already. The blue corner has won the first round with a single hit. The second set of Pokémon have appeared. Big hit! A brilliant attack right from the start. Taken out already. The blue corner has 2 wins so far. One more win and victory will be claimed. The third set of Pokémon have appeared. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. The battle is getting intense. Zapped by Thunderbolt. It's down and out. The results are in. It's a total victory for the blue corner.